coastal waters challenge.
Coastal waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida, out 20 nautical miles until 4:45 p.m. At 3:41 p.m., showers were located along a line extending from near Talbot Island to 31 nautical miles west of Palm Valley, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged from breaching high waves. Locations impacted include Atlantic Beach, Doraville Louise Barge, Palm Valley, Jacksonville Beach, Mayport, St. John's Lighted Reef, Villalba Beach, South Point Depot Beach, Guama River State Park, and St. Augustine. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. If your vessel is caught offshore, immediately secure for heavy weather. Ensure all crew members are wearing USCG approved Type-R life jackets and non-essential crew are below decks. Deploy jack lines and harnesses if available. Check life-saving equipment, including batteries on handheld radios, for readiness. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following marine location: coastal waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida, out 20 nautical miles.